Today, I'm going to explain the dangers of using chemical drain cleaners in your home. Now, they might seem convenient. The reality is, they can do more harm than good. You see, most chemical drain cleaners contain harsh, corrosive chemicals that can eat away at your pipes over time. Not only that, but they often only provide a temporary fix, masking the underlying problem without actually solving it. But here's the real kicker. These chemicals can also pose serious health risks to you and your family. Just think about it. You're pouring toxic substances down your drains where they can linger in your home's air and water supply. Not exactly a pleasant thought, right? So what's the alternative? Well, here at Rainforest Plumbing and Air, we believe in using safe, natural solutions to keep your pipes clear and your home healthy. One of our favorite alternatives is a simple mixture of baking soda, vinegar, and hot water. It's gentle on your pipes and the environment, but tough on clogs. And if you're looking for an extra preventative boost, we also recommend a product called BioClean. It's a powerful yet eco-friendly drain cleaner made from natural enzymes that break down organic waste without harming your pipes. Plus, it's safe to use on all plumbing systems, including septic tanks. So there you have it, the dangerous truth about chemical drain cleaners and why plumbers hate them. Remember, when it comes to keeping your pipes clear and your home safe, it's always best to choose natural solutions like baking soda, vinegar, and BioClean. Your pipes and your plumber will thank you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more plumbing tips, and we'll see you in the next video.